Hello everyone, I am Nikunj and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe I'm saying this, but finally I've got a YouTube channel now. If you're a home cook just like me and you love to cook food, you're in the perfect place. On this channel, I'll be sharing all the culinary knowledge I know about food with you all, and I'll show you how to turn simple ingredients into mind-blowing recipes. Whether it be pastas, curries or desserts, only the best food in the world. So get ready to take your cooking to the next level and join me on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for new videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and always be on top of the posts I release. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.